Some people will tell you that you should never eat lunch alone. I really disagree with this because it is a great time to take a minute to think and figure out what exactly you're doing with your life. If you're locked into some horrible 9-to-5 situation and trying to get out, or not, I hope you're trying to get out, you can take that 30-minute or hour-long lunch break and go for a run or go meditate. If you go out and have lunch with someone and sit down and actually eat with them, you are locked in for the duration with that person. Which is the exact opposite of what happens if you make a phone call with them, and yet on the phone call, you still get all the same information exchanged, but it ends when you want. Use the time that you have. I talked about this yesterday, as true today as it was then. Especially good if you live near the beach. Welcome to Tea Equipment. This is my favorite part. Nation. My name is Nick Catucci, and I want to talk to you today about this toolbox. Might look like a simple toolbox to you, but in reality, there's a lot going on in here. Let's take a peek inside. A lot of cool stuff. We've got tape, scissors, 2 screwdrivers, the only 2 you'll ever need, Phillips head and flathead. Nice little adjustable box opener here. Pliers, and a trusty roll of measuring tape. You might be saying to yourself, well, I've got all these things. Yes, you do. But you don't have them all in this box, and you don't have them in the one place where you can put this box and really need it. Like in your desk drawer or glove box. Anywhere that a little extra toolbox might need to go. I had a boss in Philadelphia who was very successful, but he just plowed through every meal. I mean, really fast, just flew through every meal. I feel as though your meals should be a respite of some sort. Something to look forward to, something to enjoy. I understand that business often gets in the way of having a clean eating experience, but oftentimes it does not. To each his own, of course, but racing through food just to get back to work seems like a pretty uncomfortable way to go through life. If you're putting your best work out there, you're going to be successful. You're going to attract successful people. It doesn't matter how fast you eat.